Most people buy a new hibiscus every spring. That way you get them fresh from the nursery. They're full of vitality. They are set for the season. Some of you like to overwinter your plant. This is an annual. It is a tropical. So if you get freezing weather, it will die. If you cannot stand to see it die and you want to try to save a life, you move it inside to a sunny window in the winter and it will stay alive. You may have to look out for a few critters that want to take residence. That's just part of the hibiscus life. So I would recommend if you carry it in your home through your sunroom or at your sunny window through the winter, and it's come spring and you want to move it back out to the deck and patio, you can do that. I would cut the plant back pretty severely and let it revitalize, reinvigorate itself with the spring weather. It will need feed, it will need a health assessment, but it can be done.